Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. I think so far the Litecoin price is simply just following here the expectations within this triangle. It's a very boring structure at the moment. We have a similar structure on various price charts. ADA, to be honest, is producing probably a similar triangle. Looks a bit different, but overall you could argue it's a very similar structure. XRP as well, there are a few coins, and maybe even Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, I cannot rule out a triangle there as well, even though it seems less likely because they are not really producing higher lows and lower highs. But yeah, variations of triangles are always possible. But yeah, this year, at the moment, I mean, we've got three waves, okay, and we've made higher lows, lower highs, and the movements within this triangle seem corrective. So we have 3 waves up of the August low, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So we are probably halfway through the D wave of the triangle, which is the second to last wave. And then another lower high would be expected, which would be the last wave of the triangle. And you would expect in a triangle the price to form, yeah, I mean, as I said, lower highs, higher lows, so reduced volatility eventually then when we head closer to the apex or towards the end of the triangle, which would typically be expected at the end of the E wave. And you have to expect quite a rapid move. So the expectations at the moment would be for a break to the opposite side of the E wave, which would be to the downside. So one more low here would be likely. I'm moving the support area to the right hand side. You see the support areas actually on the chart. We've got their support at the 78.6 retracement level. That's at $56, and down there, the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement, it's at $49. What I want to avoid is a sustained break below 56. I mean, it is likely that in the 5th wave, we make a low below the August low, which is basically below $56, but we want to avoid a sustained break. So we don't want it to stay there forever, okay, for a long time. But it could hit 48 and then recover quickly. So that would be ideal. Below 48, 49, I think this chart turns bearish medium term, and we will head to new bear market lows. Generally, this is an area where a reversal ideally will take place to the upside in a wave 2 correction. Okay, but at the moment, yeah, there is no signal that a low is in place, so I would still watch for lower. And if we zoom into this D wave of the triangle, we can see that it seems to be unfolding as a WXY structure for now, and the Y wave might be this ABC. And then this is an ascending wedge that's forming at the moment, which, I mean, you know, is strongly suggestive of a break to the downside. Now, again, you never know, but probabilities here would suggest it. Not only that, it's just also in line with the Elliott Wave count. So you've got a bit of confluence there. The Elliott Wave count suggests that we are in a B wave, and that we're heading currently into B wave resistance, standard resistance, which is between $46.50 and $65.30. A rejection somewhere here would likely lead to a C wave to the downside. And then to finish off this D wave of the triangle, then we can look at it at an E wave rally to complete it. Would be good to do it, to come down finally, to make some progress on this chart, because when we have a decent 3-wave move to the downside complete, then we can at least count the D wave complete, and then next move up would be the E wave. If it now carries on traveling higher, then again it will be a delay. So ideally we see a reaction to this level. So it's currently going according to plan. Let's see if it's holding $65.34. If it pushes higher, then we just have to be a little bit flexible about the microstructure, but the entire triangle will not be affected until the price breaks above $70.70. That's still a key breakout point to the upside, and would be at the same time an invalidation point of the triangle, and we would have to expect that then a low is already in, and a rally to around about $85 could happen next in case of a successful breakout above $70.70, but that's not currently primarily what we're watching for. Yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.